She's amazing, guys. So let's give it up for Maritza.
Working hard, still underperforming. Effort does not equal results.
Over the next 20 minutes, I'm gonna share how you can make sure this is the year that your business finally grows the way you want. Underperformance is the cost of unclear vision. Most business owners are underperforming not because they lack effort, but it's because they lack clarity.
I always really love to hear her talk. I find you very inspiring, very relatable.
Powerful, motivating. She really spent the time to go into the details of what it costs you to not be focused and not have that clear vision.
If you do not define your vision, you're gonna end up building a nightmare and not a dream.
You command a presence, you work the room, you have great analogies, you really resonate with people.
Your words, your authority, your assurance, and the way you broke everything down, it was really freeing for me to hear that.
Business is fun when you're winning. So that's why I developed my growth system. GROW stands for Guide, Research, Optimize, and Win. And it's the same system that helped a recent client more than almost triple their revenue from 1.7 million to 5 million in 1 year. Decide today to get clear so that years from now, you can look back and you can be proud, not just of what you built, but how you built it and who you became along the way.